Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Yes, this video is quite a bit different than the usual stuff, but I just felt this is so important that I had to talk about it, and especially from my perspective, because yeah, let's just say this is affecting me quite a bit. So as everyone knows, we're in what everyone's calling right now Ramageddon. Basically RAM prices are fucking through the roof. Like, it is ridiculous, and or they're just fucking out of stock and you can't find them, but it's more just the prices right now. Soon they'll all be out of stock anyway. So yeah, good luck getting any RAM. My PC is, oh jeez, I think it's about 3 years old now. Yeah, it's about 3 years old. I got a Ryzen 5 5600. Right, I'm getting that upgraded for Christmas, you know. I'm also switching my motherboard. I've got a 3060 and I have 16 gigs of Core 7 DDR4. Right, so I'm barely scraping through as a solid PC these days. So I was like, all right, sweet, let me upgrade this Christmas, you know. So I got like my motherboard. I got my new motherboard for Christmas. Sorry, my birthday, and then yeah, I got my what's it called, CPU for Christmas. And then I was like, I'll buy my RAM. So I go, because I'm like, oh, RAM's cheap as hell. I go on Amazon, and I didn't hear about this because, you know, like, algorithm wasn't feeding it to me. And I see this shit. And when I tell you, bro, I was gobsmacked. I was absolutely gobsmacked. Right? These prices, I am in Australian dollars, so if you are looking from America, you just have to convert it if you're curious. But these are Australian dollars. This is insane. This is ridiculous. Like, this is absolutely bonkers. Look here. This is something that I was going to get. Right? This is similar to what I was going to get. $750. $750 for 32 gigs of RAM. That is insane. Absolutely insane. And it's like, yes, I'm going to upgrade my PC badly, and it needs it. It's getting so slow. But at the same time, I cannot justify to spend $750 on RAM. I just can't. That is more expensive than, maybe not my GPU, because I got my GPU during the not so great time. But it is either my most or my second most expensive. Actually, no, we'll just say now it is my most expensive. That'd be my most expensive PC part, and it's the fucking RAM. Like, one of my friends, he built a new PC. Like, he bought all the parts for it a couple months ago. He got RAM similar to this, like the same shit I was gonna get. He got it for $250, I think. And now we're looking at 750, or they're just not in stock. Like, this is actually insane. And like, I mean, it's just, oh, sorry, oh my god, so man. Look at that delivery, June. Are you shitting me? June. Like, this is just insane. I mean, like, $1,400 for RAM. You have got me all the way fucked up if you think that I'm going to spend $1,400 on RAM. Like, and there's nothing like, I found a solid deal on Newegg of some fucking T-Force RAM. But it's like, I don't, like, it just be looking sketchy, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. So I just wanted to come on here and just speak about it from my point of view as well. And also just as like a sort of a, you know, if I could get any help, you know, if anyone watches this video who's a lot more knowledgeable on these things than me, if they know any good websites or any good places that would have any, you know, I'm pretty much just looking for this, like that is pretty much perfect. But at the end of the day, if I have to sacrifice some looks, I don't fucking care at this point. I'll happily do it. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, like I said, And yeah, it's ridiculous, and it's gonna get even worse as well. So like, I'm waiting because there's nothing, but by me waiting, I know it's just gonna get worse, and especially because what's it called? Uh, Crucial, which is, you know, like Micron, who's one of the three, one of the three makers of RAM, is stopping selling to, you know, us, and is strictly only selling to AI companies now. It's just gonna get even. It's just gonna get worse, way worse. Where we're gonna have, and like, I watched Most Critical's video on it. They accounted for 26% of the market. So 26% of an already struggling market is just about to disappear. Which, you know, that's just gonna be great. So yeah, it's only gonna get worse. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. My PC's probably gonna fry itself by the time I'm able to get new RAM. But yeah, if anyone has any good alternatives, please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Even though it is quite a bit different than what I normally post. And if you did enjoy my company, feel free to go to my channel and watch my last video. Played some modded, what's it called, Cursed Halo. But yeah, just thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.